Vice President Sara Duterte took a swipe at President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. over his order to investigate irregularities in the country's flood control projects. VP Sara questioned the timing of the move, claiming the president is merely preparing an excuse should massive flooding hit the nation again. Jason Rubrico is back for more news.
The Senate has begun investigating key contractors behind the country's defective flood control projects. This came following the directive of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. But Vice President Sara Duterte insisted that accountability should not stop with the contractors, saying lawmakers who control the budget must also be held responsible.
Well, lahat sila dapat, no? Hindi lang yung mga contractors dahil yung mga contractors ay mga tauhan din sila ng mga members of the House of Representatives.
VP Sara again hit out at House Speaker Martin Romualdez and ako Bicol Party List Representative Zaldi Co, accusing them of controlling and dividing the national budget. The same reason she stressed that pushed her to step down from the Department of Education.
Kung maalala ninyo, meron akong ginawa na interview noon kung bakit ako umalis sa Department of Education. Binagyat ko doon na 2 tao lang ang nagde-decide sa budget ng Pilipinas. Yun ay si Martin Romualdez at si Zaldi Co. At yung mga kasamahan nila o mga grupo nila, kasama din nila yon sa paghati-hati noong budget ng Pilipinas. Dahil nakita namin yon sa Department of Education.
The Vice President added that she had long reported to Marcos Jr. the meddling of lawmakers in government funds, but the President, she said, ignored her warnings. This is why she now questions the sudden decision to investigate flood control projects.
Nabanggit namin yon kay BBM na ganun ang ginawa, pero noon ay wala siyang reaction, tapos bigla ngayon meron na siyang reaction. Paniwala ko ginagawa nila yan para lang sabihin sa susunod na baha na tingnan nyo, may ginawa naman kami. Pinaghahandaan niya lang yung excuse niya para sa susunod na baha.
The investigation is expected to continue in the coming weeks as both the Senate and the public await clarity on who should ultimately be held accountable. For God and my beloved Philippines, I am Jason Rubrico, SM9 News.